As the student begins to learn pieces where the whole bow is needed, it's time to change to the adult bow hold. The frog can then be easily reached without interference from the body of the violin. The thumb will now be placed between the frog and the wrapping opposite the longest finger. The thumb should remain relaxed, slightly bent, and flexible. It takes most students some time to adjust to the new bow hold. They will often revert to the beginner form. You just need to be aware of this and always check the student's bow hold position and remind them about the grown-up bow hold. It's always a good idea to have the student tap the fingers on the bow before drawing the bow to make sure that the hand is relaxed and in the most natural position. Okay, Milan, let's look at your bow hold. So here we are with the beginner bow hold. Can you make your thumb very relaxed? Can you make that muscle in there like a squishy marshmallow? That's it. So now what we're going to do is we're going to move the thumb into this edge of the octagon on the right there at the frog, just like that. Very good. Now, can you make this soft again? And let's make sure your thumb is flexible and not pressing up. And then we turn it up like this. And let's tap our fingers a little bit. Very good. The following demonstrations are exercises that we can do prior to playing pieces with the whole bow that will make it much easier. The first is the silent bow placements, where the student will silently place the bow at the frog, middle, and the tip. Let's place the bow at the frog. There we go. Very good. Okay, so let's tap our first finger, tap the two middles and the pinky, and let's check and make sure we have a really good grown-up bow hold. That's it, good. Now, let's make sure their hand is nice and flexible. Good. So at the frog, the hand is balanced more towards the pinky. Now we'll pick up the bow and we're going to put it at the middle. Very good. And now the hand is more balanced across the fingers. And now let's pick it up and put it at the tip. Good. And now the hand is balanced more towards the first finger. And you can tap all of these fingers. Good. And let's pick it up and put it in the middle. Good. Can you pick it up and put it at the frog? Very good. And let's rock the bow a little bit. And then back at the tip. Good. And back at the frog. Okay, good. Next, we're going to practice our bow wanderings. So we're going to put the bow at the tip, and with a nice, relaxed détaché bow, we're going to wander, wander, wander our bow to the frog and then back to the tip. Okay? Very good. So next we're going to learn our A major scale, and we'll play each note 2 times in the upper half, 2 times at the frog, and 1 whole bow. Let's tap our fingers again, and we're going to slide back on our magic X and set the bow in the middle with your new bow hold, and we'll play our A major scale. Very good. Now let's set our bow at the very frog, and we're going to check your bow hold. Good. And let's tap the first finger and the 2 middles and the pinky. Very nice. So with little bows, we're going to play each note twice at the frog. Ready? Very good. Now let's practice it each note 1 time with the whole bow. So again, set your bow at the frog. Good. And here we go. Whole bow, whole bow, slow bow. slow bow. Very good. Now we're ready to play our first piece with the whole bow.